Hello everyone, my name is Ido, and in this short video I would like to show you a CI/CD pipeline that I created in Azure DevOps that deploys a Django website to several environments and run tests on them. I've written the pipeline after studying by myself the subjects from Microsoft's DevOps Engineer Expert course. Let's enter the pipeline to see its structure. Okay. So as you can see, the pipeline is divided to 4 main stages, 1 build stage and 3 deployment stages to several environments. The pipeline runs every time there is a new push to our master branch in GitHub. Let's enter the build stage to see how it works. In the build stage, we create the artifact that will be deployed to the other environments. We also run our unit tests in the build stage, so if something fails, the code will not be deployed and the pipeline will break, which is a key concept of continuous integration. As you can see, here we run our unit tests using PyTest, and later we also publish the test results for us to be able to see them after the pipeline finishes. Let's move to our deployment to testing stage to see some more interesting features. Okay. So the main feature of our testing stage is that we automatically run functional tests using Selenium. We run the tests as part of the deployment stage in order to detect issues before the customers observe them, as well as to make scaling easier in the future. As you can see, here we run our functional tests, and later we also publish them. I'll go back to show another interesting feature. Okay, so another interesting feature that we have in the pipeline is that a QA guy must approve that testing has passed before the pipeline continues to the deployment to staging. As you can see, before the deployment to staging, we have a check that must be approved. In this instance, it was approved by me, and it must be approved that all the tests are passed in order for the staging to begin. Let's enter the tests, what we can see after the pipeline has finished. Okay, so after each pipeline run, we can see not only which tests have passed or failed, as you can see here, but also how long it took them to run and the performance of the tests. I'll show you. As you can see here, we can see how long it took for every test to run. In this instance, we had only 4 tests. Of course, that in a real project, we will have more, but this was a demonstration. The last thing I will show you is the pipeline configuration in order for you to understand what I did. So 1 second. Okay, so this is the pipeline configuration. Here I've decided the structure of the pipeline itself. As you can see, our trigger is master, which says that every time there's a push commit to our master branch, we will have a new pipeline run. Other than that, we have variables, we have our stages, and inside the stages we have all of the steps and the tasks that we had in the overview. So we had our build stage, our deployment stages, and this was my pipeline. I hope that you enjoyed, and goodbye.